We got more. Excuse me. I think. Hey, can I get through here? Okay. There's more.
Oops! Woo!
Grandma, we need towels.
Oh, what is?
Uh-oh.
What? Oh, wow. Paper towels, rags.
Uh-oh.
I'll go get some rags.
Should we wipe it up, Annabelle?
I bet that's
Clean it up? Good
sets.
job.
You bet at what?
Sets.
What do you mean?
Gonna
It's
put
got
some
vinegar in it.
more?
It'll set on my
What color?
towels.
What color? No?
It came out.
Oh, thank you. What is it? Okay, put it down. I don't want you to fall off the chair.
It's gonna stain her shoes though.
Uh-oh. Yay, good job, honey.
honey.
She's
Okay. Just a minute. Let's clean up. Gotta clean this. Gotta clean that. Thank you.
Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Bye.
I think I got it all.